Zoom, flash, off so fast. Leo, the light beam shot right past, speeding through space, bright and free, the fastest thing you'll ever see. One day Leo heard a shout. A little boy asked, "What's light about? How do you travel? Where do you go? Tell me, Leo, I want to know." Leo grinned and twirled around. "I move so fast I don't touch the ground. In just 1 second, can you guess? I circle the earth 7 times or less." The boy gasped, "That's really quick, but how do you shine? What's your trick?" Leo winked and spun with glee. "It's all energy, just like me. I bounce and bend, I reflect and glow. Through water and glass, watch me go. In a rainbow, I break apart. 7 colors, a work of art. Red is first and violets last. Orange, yellow, going fast. Green and blue, don't forget. And indigo, there's the set. "But wait," said the boy, "you give us more. Sunlight helps plants grow galore. It makes them strong, big and tall, giving us air that helps us all." Leo smiled, "Yes, it's true. Light does magic